How to make a shortcut on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make a shortcut on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open the Snapchat app, and then first what you're going to do is to take a snap. So for example, I'll just take a blank snap and then click on send to, and right here you may be able to see the shortcuts button right here. So you just simply click on shortcuts, and if you don't have that shortcut button, make sure to click on the search button first right here, and then this shortcut button will appear. So click on shortcuts, and then you may create new shortcut right here. Choose the person that you want to be added on your shortcut and choose an emoji. So you may only add emoji, so choose an emoji. For example, I'll choose this one. Click on create shortcut once you're done, and then you can see that shortcut right here. So what this will do is that instead of choosing your participants again and again, you may choose this shortcut, and then those chosen participants will be selected by clicking on select right here, and all of those participants will be chosen instead of pressing um, one by one on their names or their profile. So that's it. That's how you can make a shortcut on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.